Hi guys, I'm Nemo Demeza. I go to Wendell Crane Technical High School and I come over to Marchman for the welding program. And today I'm going to show you guys what we do in the shop. We have all the booths set up here. Over here, let's go find someone in the booth right now, actually welding. So right now, he's doing, he's doing uphill stick, basically D11. For the stick certification, the certification that we get at the end of the year is D1.1. That's what we'll be certified to. Basically, it's for structural purposes, so like buildings, bridges, and that's the code that we go to. So those are his beads right now. Basically, he clamps the plate up, sets the machine up to the certain amps and voltage, and then he just welds. Right now, he's prepping to cut for TIG. Damien, how you doing? Good. So we use the soakstone, which is what he's drawing with, to mark off, and he's measuring it to get the certain length of the plate. And what he's gonna do, I think right now he's on lap joint. So basically what he does is he takes one plate, stacks it on top of another, and welds in between the corner. So this is a lot of industrial stuff. So basically the pipe helps with the gas. You can do underwater welding with pipes. Basically any structural thing. So again, for buildings and bridges, you can use a lot of it.
I'm Dakota Steelman. I go to Wendell Crane and I do the technical program at Marchman Technical College. And we're gonna come over to the TIG station. So what are you guys doing?
TIG lap joint.
So they're doing TIG lap joint, which he was prepping for his plate. So now he's going to be running the TIG as a lap joint, which is what Nemo had said. Or they're going to stack them and then run it.
Right now we're stacking them.
And now he's stacking them.
If you guys want to be part of a greater experience and be enjoying welding, you guys should come here, go to Wendell Crane Technical High School and Marchman Technical College.